Shopify powers over 4 million online stores worldwide and generates more than $200 billion in sales every year. In 2026, AI has made starting a Shopify store faster and cheaper than ever before. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to build a real income stream on Shopify using AI. Let's go. Number 1. AI-powered print-on-demand store. Use Midjourney to generate unique designs. Connect to Printful or Printify. They print and ship automatically. Use ChatGPT to write all your product descriptions. Zero inventory, zero upfront cost. Store owners running this model are earning $500 to $5,000 per month. Number 2. AI-written product descriptions as a service. Existing Shopify store owners need compelling product copy constantly. Use ChatGPT to write descriptions that convert, charge $20 to $50 per product, or $300 to $800 for a full store rewrite. This is one of the fastest ways to get your first clients. Number 3. AI chatbot customer service setup. Install free AI chatbot apps like Tidio on Shopify stores. Businesses pay $200 to $600 to have this set up and configured properly. Takes under 2 hours once you know the process. Number 4. Dropshipping with AI market research. Use ChatGPT and Claude to analyze trending products, write ad copy, and identify winning niches faster than manual research ever could. AI-assisted dropshippers are cutting research time by 80% and finding profitable products faster. Number 5. AI-generated store themes and branding. Use Canva AI and Midjourney to create logos, banners, and complete brand kits for Shopify stores. Charge $150 to $500 per branding package. Many store owners need this exact service and don't know where to find affordable help. Shopify combined with AI removes almost every traditional barrier to starting an online business. Design skills, copywriting skills, customer service staff. Which method are you going to try first? Subscribe to TechMind Daily for more real AI money strategies every week.